Have you ever pondered the intricate battle raging in the world of data science? The clash between the titans of statistical modeling, parametric and non-parametric models. This epic struggle shapes the way we understand and interpret the world around us. Parametric models are the seasoned veterans. They've been around, they've seen things. They come with assumptions, preconceived notions about the shape of the data. They assume a specific form for the distribution. They are like the seasoned detective who uses his years of experience to guide his investigation, making educated guesses about where the clues might lead. These models are efficient. They require less data to produce accurate results. They are fast, and they can provide insight into the underlying mechanisms that generate the data. But their strength is also their weakness. Their assumptions can lead them astray when the data doesn't obey their rules. On the other side of the battlefield, we have the non-parametric models, the rebels of the data science world. They make no assumptions about the shape of the data. They are like the fresh-faced rookie detective who approaches each case with an open mind, ready to follow the evidence wherever it may lead. Non-parametric models are flexible and adaptable. They can handle a wide variety of data types and structures. They can provide accurate results, even when the data is messy or the underlying distribution is unknown. But they require a lot of data. They are computationally intensive and can be slow to produce results. So who wins this epic battle? The seasoned veteran with his years of experience and assumptions, or the flexible rebel ready to adapt to any situation? The answer, as with so many things in life, is it depends. It depends on your data, your problem, your resources. The best model is not always the most complex or the most flexible. Sometimes simplicity and efficiency win the day. Other times, flexibility and adaptability are key. In this epic battle, there is no clear winner. Both parametric and non-parametric models have their strengths and weaknesses. They each have their place in the toolbox of the data scientist. To wrap it up, parametric models are efficient, fast, and insightful. They come with assumptions about the data, which can be both a strength and a weakness. Non-parametric models are flexible and adaptable. They can handle a wide variety of data, but they require a lot of data and can be slow. The key is to understand these tools, to know their strengths and weaknesses, and to choose the right tool for the job. Because in the end, the real winner of this battle is not the model, but the data scientist who knows how to wield these tools with skill and precision.